Windshields were added to cars in 1904, but wiper blades weren't mass-produced until 1917, when rain rubber was introduced. In the last 100-plus years, they've evolved in efficiency, durability, windshield contact, and automation. Windshield wiper blades are now standard on all vehicles, but they don't last forever. They need to be replaced from time to time.
Living in Michigan, we definitely have harsh winters, and I feel like after the winter season, my windshield wipers have just had it. You know, they've frozen to the windshield, there's any kind of ice or snow on my windshield and I turn my windshield wipers on, it seems like they ruin it. And then when I go to use them come spring just to do a clean swipe, they're streaky and they don't work properly anymore. I definitely feel like the current windshield wipers I have are a safety concern. Just recently I was driving down the highway in a big rainstorm and one of them just kind of flew right off my windshield. The windshield part fell off. So that was a little frightening. I had to have somebody come and help me put that back on because I had no idea how to do it. Every time I put it on, it would fall back off.
Poor visibility during inclement weather conditions can impair a driver's ability to safely operate a vehicle. Effective windshield wiper blades are one tool to help prevent crashes by improving visibility. Keep these 4 S's in mind to know if it's time for you to replace your wiper blades: streaking, squeaking, skipping, and splitting.
The average person waits 2 years before changing their blades, and we recommend changing them every 6 months. People should be changing their blades when they change their clocks. Once in the spring, once in the fall. More SUVs and crossovers are being sold now than ever, which comes with a rear wiper blade. It's just as important to keep your rear windshield clean as it is your front.
Anita purchased new wiper blades manufactured by Trico. She was able to install them herself in a matter of seconds.
Wow, that was so simple. I can't believe how easy that was. I've tried so many other brands and struggled. This took me, well, you saw it took me a second. It's like putting a magnet on your refrigerator. I'm so excited. I don't have to ask my husband for help. I feel totally confident going out, traveling, and if it rains, I'm good to go.
Trico wiper blades have a proprietary silicone ceramic wiping element that extends the blade's lifespan and provides optimal visibility in all weather conditions and at nighttime.
Trico silicone ceramic is the latest advancement in wiper technology, and it lasts 3 times longer than your average wiper blade. Trico silicone ceramic is ideal for hot temperatures because the silicone element within protects against ozone and UV. The silicone leaves a coating on your windshield, which helps repel water and ice. The ceramic helps reduce drag and friction with an increased energy savings on your vehicle.
Let's learn about the anatomy of windshield wiper blades.
The different parts that make up your wiper blade are your spline, your rubber element, your end caps, your airfoil, your twin point coupler, and your adapter. The curvature is critical. The closer your curvature is to your windshield, the less force is needed to drive it into the windshield. That contact is important because without it, if you have a part that's raised, you'll have a streak as you cycle your windshield wipers. The industry is moving towards beam blades, which have an infinite number of contact points on your windshield, whereas a conventional blade will only have 4 to 8. Here's your dual point coupler. The purpose of this, as your vehicle ages, the arm strength decreases. This allows it to get a smooth, clean wipe across your windshield with less force. This is your Vortec aerofoil. It helps utilize wind power to drive your blade into your windshield. Wind impacts the performance of your wiper blade by naturally, as it cycles, it wants to lift off your windshield. Our technology helps to avoid that problem. The Swift Easy Connection technology is exclusive to Trico. Here's our adapter. There's 11 wiper arms available on the market today. This will fit any one of them, and it'll attach within seconds.
Trico designs and engineers all of their products at their 81,000 square foot Global Technology Center in Rochester Hills, Michigan.
Trico has a lab, and it's crucial to find out the durability of these blades. We cycle them 1.5 million times before they hit the market. The windshield wipers are tested on actual vehicles. We have bays that you can pull vehicles into, and that will simulate temperatures up to 140 degrees and down to -40, where we can also simulate rain and snow.
Make a pit stop at tricoproducts.com to search for the perfect replacement wiper blades for the specific make, model, and year of your vehicle. Plus, watch install videos on the website for step-by-step instructions. Go to designingspaces.tv for more information.